Hi, and welcome to YoriHei.com, Korean and Asian cooking recipes. Today, we're showing you the traditional HoTteok Korean sweet pancake recipe. This should be a very easy to make from scratch recipe. Here's what you'll need. For the dough, 1 cup of warm water, 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of yeast, ½ teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 tablespoon oil. For the filling, you'll need 1/4 cup brown sugar and about ½ teaspoon cinnamon. You can also add nuts and/or seeds. We're using roasted pumpkin and sunflower seeds today. Mix all of the filling ingredients together that you'll use later. Add the yeast to the water, stir lightly, and set aside for about 10 to 15 minutes. While the yeast is proofing, add your flour, salt, sugar, and mix. With the yeast ready to use, add it to the bowl, mix, and then knead. Add your oil as you need. If it gets too sticky when kneading, add a bit of flour. Once the dough looks nice and uniform, pack it down, cover the bowl, and set it aside in a warm spot. Once the dough is ready, heat a frying pan to medium heat and add some cooking oil to it. Oil your hands to prevent the dough from sticking. Pinch off a piece of dough and form it into a ball, then flatten it. Add a spoonful of filling to the center. Take the sides and close the dough into a ball. Place the ball onto the frying pan for about a minute. Turn over the ball and with a press, flatten the ball into a pancake and let it fry for about another minute. Turn the pancake over again and flatten some more. Cook until both sides are golden brown. From the frying pan, these are ready to serve. Thanks for watching. We hope you're able to follow this recipe and enjoy the taste. If you like Korean and Japanese desserts and snacks, browse some of our other recipe videos. We try our best to make easy-to-follow, authentic recipes. Also, visit us on yorihei.com.